How is everyone doing today? I am excited to say the least. I was about to drop an F-bomb there, but probably not appropriate. But I'm fired up. Why is that? Today is September 26th, and guess what? We are about to approach the time that we can make the most money we ever have made online in about a month from now. It's insane. The trends of e-commerce, the trends of stores, the scalability, the ad process, everything is changing so much. And we're about to hit Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and there is nothing more exciting than that. Nothing at all. Period. There's nothing. So have you guys heard of this platform called Facebook or Instagram? You're probably on one of the two. Pretty cool program. Same thing with YouTube. You can make a ton of money off of those in just about a month from now. And I'm going to make it more exciting because my Black Friday, Cyber Monday to people is coming up on the 1st of October. So that's pretty sweet. If you're watching this video later, sorry, that sucks. You missed it. Anyways, let's just jump into how I'm planning on making money in Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 2019. How's that sound? Right on. Okay, so you're going to hop into a page like this. I don't care if you've heard this spiel. Things have changed. A lot of things have changed. Things are very different right now. This is where you're going to start. Whether you have a store, you don't have a store, who cares? Okay, this is how e-commerce is going to build. You're going to go to this page link. It's mybigedge.com. You're going to see a page like this. Did you at least make $20,000 in e-commerce revenue over the last 12 months? Okay. Yes, you did, or no, you didn't. Yes, you did. Proceed to the website. No, you didn't. Give yourself a head check, okay? Are you actually going to do something this year? If you're not, don't waste your time. Just click the no, this isn't for me. It'll redirect you somewhere far away. Who cares? Don't even go to the website. Leave this video. It doesn't matter to me, okay? You're screwed anyways if you're someone that's like, I'm going to take initiative, and then you just don't leave it. So I'm going to go ahead and it's yes, because I have. That's basically what that's doing, you guys, is Are you actually willing to make some money? Have you done it before? This is not easy to do, but let's jump into this. Okay, so I'm in My Big Edge. Sign up for an account. If you hate it, email me. I'll refund you. I don't really care. We're yet to get any of those. So then you're going to hop over to Facebook. After you've done signing up this account, you've watched the tutorial videos, everything like that. That's sweet. You're going to get this Chrome extension. It is cool. Okay, this is cool. This is how you make money today. It's crazy. So I just hit start, scroll automatically. I'm going to walk through this. Okay. This is why I'm so excited. We've had this program out there for, I want to say like a year, and it is doing insane. This program scrapes Facebook's data, Instagram's data, mobile feeds, basically gives you all these ads and says, hey, are these making money or not? You go in there, and now it's easier than ever. You go to their store, you click a button, you export their product in a format that you can go right to your Shopify store, click import, put their product on your website, their descriptions, their ads, everything. It's fascinating. I was just on a consulting call with someone. I don't want to name drop, but anyways, he does over 10 million a year in annual revenue for his e-commerce stores. He's paying someone right now $250 a week, a VA, a very cheap VA, to do this for him. And he's like, Jarrett, are you kidding me right now? $250, he usually gets a couple products out of it. He's doing this himself every 2 hours right now. He's getting products. So it's crazy. Anyways, I'm trying not to ramble, but I'm just so excited. So let's jump into this. We got a couple things going on. So here's all these ads that it's pulling for me. We can see that it's ranking these ads. It's telling me if it's a Shopify store, if it's not, and it's giving me this score from 0 to 100, this 100%. What that is, that's basically like saying, hey, is it a good ad or a bad ad? 0's bad. I'm not getting really any good ads right now, which is annoying because I'm so excited demoing this. That's totally fine. It's going to happen. That's why you do this a few times a day. But we'll jump into one of these. I'm just going to stop analyzing so that this isn't so annoying. For purposes of this video, I'm going to do this a little different than I normally would. But let's click on this website. You can see we actually had some data on it too. It gives it a score. It's website score, right? A little happy face, sad face, World Wide Web, and there's its score from the basically website ranking score. So all iconic. We got this sweet store. These are actually pretty fucking cool. I'm not going to lie. These are pretty sweet. So let's say that I go, this is a great product, okay? Now, how would I know that this is a great product? Well, okay, let's say the store was doing well. They got a pretty high website rank, and I'm going to open up that Chrome extension here. It looks a little different. I'm going to click best-selling products. It's going to open up this new tab for me, okay? And it basically tricks their store into actually showing us their best-selling products because sometimes people hide it. So this is their best-selling product. This shouldn't be a surprise. It was right at the top there. That's awesome. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I can get more ads for products like this on my feed. And then I'm going to show you how I can just take their product instantly. Okay. And it's so cool. So let's say I want to see more ads like this. I'm going to add this product to my cart. I'm going to go and I'm going to hit view cart. I'm going to open up this extension. It's going to be a little different again. And I'm going to click this purchase, trigger Facebook pixel. What did I just do? Well, we're the only program out there that can actually fake triggering the Facebook pixel. So without buying it, I just told Facebook, hey, I bought this, tricked Facebook, tricked them. Now I'm going to see more ads for products like this. That's the first thing I want to do. So find your niche, go ahead, rip to a couple stores. Now your Facebook feed's going to look a lot different. I've obviously done this before. I like products like this. I sell products like this. So that's why these pop up on my news feed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this page. I'm going to open up My Big Edge. And this is where things get really cool, you guys. Okay. So this is the product that I want, right? I like everything about this product. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to hop back over to My Big Edge. I'm going to do a couple of things, guys. It is so cool. Whoops, I was there. So under best-selling products, I can do it under both. Best-selling products, store, where is it? So under store subscriptions, I'm going to click this download CSV file by link. Okay. And I'm going to paste this link in there. Okay. If you don't have a Shopify store, this might be a little foreign to you, but if you do, then you're going to understand completely what I mean here. I'm going to hit great. Awesome. I'm going to open this up. I don't have Excel on this. I run a weird program to run PC programs in Excel. So that's where my Excel is. So forgive me. I'm not being cheap. I actually do have it. So we can see this crazy thing. This sheet right here, you guys, this is the exact import sheet that I would go to my Shopify store. I'd go to products, I'd hit import, and I would just put this CSV in there, and I would literally have everything that they have. This is all of their image files. This is all their variants. This is their descriptions. This is their tags. This is literally everything in their store. You upload this, your page is going to look the exact same as theirs. That's how easy this is, you guys. So this is what this guy was paying $250 a week, and he was usually getting 1 or 2 products a week out of it because you still got to find good products. You still got to export them. And this is literally how you do it now. So think about this. You have this store, you go, and this is what you guys should be doing like now. That's why this is coming out now, okay? And look, if I'm going to be honest with you, wait. You're going to get a deal on this. Just sign up. You'll get an offering on October 1st. Via email. It's not one of those, I'm not pulling that bullshit that's like, oh, you have 24 hours. Oh, sales extended. Oh, this and that. No, it's hard deadline. I only care about the people that care because October 1st, the people that sign up, they're all getting free consulting with me, 1 hour consulting with me. I'm going to go through this with them. I won't get off that call until they have a product that is a winner. Okay, so that they can push that product for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. That's how serious I am about this. Now, why am I just doing this like this? Well, there's a reason, actually. Not only do I care, yes, but all the people that are in my program right now, those guys care. And I'm starting to create this really awesome, cool community, okay, of people who actually give a shit about e-commerce. It's not these groups anymore that have 1,000, 5,000, 20,000 people in it that all say, hey, we're great about e-commerce. No, I want like my tight top 25 people. Not students, because I want to collaborate. I want you guys to get to a point where you guys are selling and you guys are giving me insights that I didn't know about. That's what I want. I want that community. So, okay, sweet. I'm not going to hop off that call until you're happy, okay? Minimum 60 minutes. So if we find a product in the first 20 minutes, you have 40 minutes to ask me whatever you want, okay? Realistically, I'll go longer. If you're asking me questions, hey, I'll go longer. I'm here for you guys. I don't care. So when you sign up, you get that. You email me. You say, hey, Jarrett at mybigedge.com. That's me, not a VA. And I will reply to you. So We're going to find a product together, guys. It's really, really cool. You can do a lot of things real quick. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open up My Big Edge again. I'm going to hit subscribe to this store. And you guys are going to see under my store subscriptions that I'm going to subscribe. It takes a little bit of time. That's fine. But now this is going to monitor that store for me. It's going to take a look at all their products, tell me anything that they do. This is just my demo account, but Chubby Shorts, for example, I can see that on the 25th, that's yesterday, they added this product, this product, great. And I can see best-selling products. We have an AI algorithm that goes, checks all their products, ranks them from like 1 to a few thousand. 1 is a product that you want to add to your store right away because that's got a good supplier, that's got high order volume trends. They're getting great traffic to that page. It's awesome. So yeah, we can see right here, this is like Chubby's 15. That's a very high score. See how quickly they drop off. We're already at 184, 236, on and on and on. So it's checking the supplier. I can click this. It'll bring me right to suppliers, generally speaking, trends. It's checking a lot of things, you guys. So this is what we want to do. It's a great tool, but again, just go through. We're going to pick a product together. I'm going to be posting a ton of videos here in the next few days. If you guys care about this, check it out, message me, whatever, pick my brain. On October 1st, that's my version of Black Friday, Cyber Monday to you guys who care about being big in Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And I'm going to publish these videos for you. And I'm going to give you a nice deal on it. And if you guys care, you're in that. I might even record the call if you're cool with that. I won't show what product you're picking, but I just want to make some clips out of it, get a pretty kick-ass marketing video for this thing, going into Black Friday, Cyber Monday, going into the holidays. I want to push My Big Edge. I want to push my stores. So if you guys care, now's the time. If not, hey, I hope that you stopped watching the video at the beginning. But regardless, thanks, guys, for watching this. Feel free to comment whatever you guys want. I don't care about all the engagement. If you guys want to, great. Facebook's got a good enough algorithm that this video is going to get shown 500 times to 1,000 times organically. So that's awesome for me. But check it out. Thanks, guys. New videos coming here every single day. So stay tuned. See ya.